what's going on? Welcome back to Keegan's Kitchen. Today I'll be showing you how to make this juicy honey sriracha salmon bite recipe. Stay tuned. Here are my lovely ingredients that I'll be using for today's recipe. Here I have my salmon. It's already cut into bite-sized pieces. Some vegetable cooking oil. I have my Sazon seasoning, Old Bay seasoning, some dried thyme leaves, 1 clove of garlic. Over here I have some fish stock, Sriracha sauce, and some honey. All right, so we're gonna jump right into the video, guys, and get started. Let's go. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and add our thyme leaves, Old Bay seasoning, and our Sazon seasoning. So that's 1 teaspoon of Sazon seasoning, 1 teaspoon of Old Bay seasoning, and a half teaspoon of thyme leaves. All right, go ahead and mix it in. Mix it right in. And once our pan is nice and hot, then we're gonna go ahead and add some cooking oil. All right, it's looking good. Add your salmon. And we're gonna cook our salmon for about 5 minutes. Once all the sides are nice and brown, then we're gonna remove the salmon from the pan, deglaze it with some fish stock, add our garlic, honey, and sriracha sauce, and we're gonna bring that lovely mixture to a boil. Toss our salmon together, and we should be good to go after that. Stay tuned. All right, go ahead and flip your salmon. All right, so our salmon is looking good. We're gonna go ahead and remove it from the oil. And like I said, guys, should only take about 5 minutes, to fry your salmon up real quick. So now we're gonna add our garlic. This is 1 clove of garlic. And we're just gonna extract some of that garlic flavor real quick. Do this for about 30 seconds. Smelling so good. Now we're gonna add our fish stock. After you add your fish stock, guys, you want to add your honey. Then you want to add your sriracha. After you add these ingredients, then you want to add your salmon directly to that mixture. And we're just gonna cook this up for about a minute or 2 on low heat. So after you add your salmon, go ahead and flip them over. You wanna make sure everything is nicely covered, with this lovely, juicy, spicy, sweet sauce, Mix it up a little. And then we're gonna add this to a plate, top it off with some parsley, and enjoy. A little bit of parsley, And that's it, guys. So now we're gonna do a little quick taste test. I'm gonna let you know how it turned out, all right? Oh, yes. This right here, guys, is so good. Melts right in your mouth. The sauce is on point. Everything is just perfect, you know. The recipe, guys, will be in the description of the video. Can't wait for you to try it out and let me know how it is. Peace. Thank you for watching, guys.